up on this one. This, my friends, is a drum set. It's a beautiful piece of art, a wonderful musical instrument, and I'm proud to say that this is my favorite thing to do ever. So, we're going to start playing, and we're just going to start from the ground up. The first thing I want to talk about is the position where you're sitting at the drum kit. It's very important for you to be comfortable at the drum set, and what you want to do is find a height. I'm a very tall person. I'm standing up now. Most people are, oh, you're much taller than I actually think that you are. It's usually because I'm sitting down, and the other guys in my group are very short. This works out nicely for them. You're sitting in, I would say, from the middle to the edge of your drum seat. And so I'm not even going to hold on to the sticks at this point. I'm just going to sit and try to feel balanced at the kit. Which you start out and have some good posture, not too hunched over, not too stiff, but comfortable to where you just feel like you're sitting at a table, you're about ready to have a nice meal. Something comfortable, and so if you're upright, you can breathe well, you can see everybody. These things are all important. Posture is good to have control over what you want to do. So I'm sitting at the drums, and this is the hi-hat on this side. On my left foot, and has the hi-hat cymbals go up and down like this, and my left foot operates the pedal that does that. Now, I play with my heels up in the air. So the balls of my feet are both on the, I would say about 3/4 of the way up the pedal boards on both the bass drum and the hi-hat. And again, get comfortable with your feet up in the air, on the balls of your feet, on the kick drum, and also on the hi-hat. And so what I would do, even before you do anything with your hands, just try to play the kick drum and try to hit it consistently with the same amount of force and dynamic, and just try to hit it in a rhythmic way. We're just going to play quarter notes, which is just, for right now, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're just doing this, and my ball of my foot is on the kick drum. It's on the kick drum pedal. So the ball of my foot's on the kick drum pedal. I'm hitting it, and then the beater is coming off of it. You don't want to keep it stuck in the head. You want to hit it and release so the drum can sing, and it sounds better that way. But you also want to keep your foot on the footboard at all times. Don't take your foot off the board. Keep it on there so you can control the bounce of the pedal. So we'll try it again. We're just going to do quarter notes, and what I want you to do is, while you're concentrating on playing the kick drum, I want you to keep your left foot, keep it down, and keep the hi-hat cymbals together. So keep the pressure on the hi-hat, but I'll show you later how, when you keep all your limbs moving, but I want you not to open it up. I don't want this. I want you to keep this down and just play quarter notes on your kick drum. All right, so it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's how not to do it. Don't do it like that. Do it like this. Keeping your foot on the pedal to control that. Don't go. Don't do that. Do this. And try to control it so every time it comes back to about the same spot. Okay, so there's the kick drum.